Hey Albert, hey track fans, how you doing? Welcome back to the new track, and it's the Aston Martin Vantage. He's on the track today. He's come back out of retirement for a special lap because we've got a special track. It's a flat track attack. You ready? Let's go. Look at that, straight into 4 lanes. This is the first 4-lane track on Track Fans TV. First 4 lanes ever. So let's get round. Let's do a little lane change here. Whoa, got it, lane change. And now I'm on the inside. I'm on the skillful part of the track. This is where you need all your wits about you. The Aston Martin, he does a great job, You can kind of relax with him. You know he's got your back on these corners. Sticks, not much drift, which we like on this level of skill. And it's not a rally track. Let's do a lane change, get to the out. Oh, I missed the lane change. Anyway. Come on, let's drive him back round. I'll concentrate on the next one. Here we go. Comes round into Bentley Bend and up towards Chicago. Powers out nicely in towards the... Oh, he got a lane change. I missed recording it because I was trying to do it, but I went to the inside lane. Clever. Right, let's do it. Concentrate. Let's get back in the race. Albert, are you enjoying the track? Yeah, got it. Got the lane change. He's on the outside lane. He's coming around. Spinning out again, he's giving it some. There you go. Right, let's take it into pole. He obviously needs some new tyres. He's spinning out on the corners. Let's get him to the garage. Well done, Albert. See you later, track fans.